We're going.
Okay, good morning. I'd like to show you 2 cylinders and 1 pump unit. There's a slow cylinder. There's a fast cylinder. Slow. Fast. Let's see if we have any force. Piece of 2x4 from Home Depot, spruce. That does about 4 tons of force. Same force. Now this tank catches all the oil from both cylinders on the return. I'm going to shut this and let's just see how much. For 1 cycle, let's see how much oil. Draining the oil. I'm going to try it on this fast cylinder. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Same amount of oil, approximately 1 cycle on the slow cylinder, 12 cycles on the fast cylinder. One cycle, slow cylinder, 4 tons, 14 seconds. Fast cylinder, 4 tons, 2 seconds. Slow cylinder used 0.62 gallons of oil per cycle. The fast cylinder used 0.07 gallons of oil. In 1 cycle, the slow cylinder used 0.62 gallons of oil. The fast cylinder for 12 cycles used 0.62 gallons of oil. I purchased both of these cylinders from Hydroline. This one was just as received from the manufacturer. This one I painted orange, I disassembled it, and I worked approximately an hour, hour and a half, machining a very simple valve into the piston. I reassembled it, and I got this kind of performance. More to come when we get our equipment and ready to show. Thank you. I call this orange cylinder a Conway cylinder. I made the first one about 40 years ago. Please note that there is a cable attached to the piston rod. This cable goes down around a pulley and connects to a 50-pound spring on the back of the panel. This spring and cable pull the piston to its retracted position. My cylinder has no retracting force. It is a single acting cylinder. Please note that the 50-pound spring force moves the piston at a good speed. The oil in the cylinder is passing through the piston by the valve that I made in the piston. This cylinder travels 6 times faster extending to the load than when acting on the 4-ton load. Morning. This is a large C-frame press, an 8-inch cylinder, 75-ton, and this is the free motion mode in the cylinder. I can come down, I got a piece of wood in here, and I'm going to come down and can't do much damage to it. Okay, let's cut on the pump now. You can. Okay, the pump is running. Got a push button switch. Well, wood didn't do much good there. Rapid stand down. Okay. Let's try 3 pieces of wood. We have a spring on the return right now. I think we've done about as much as we can with wood. Let's get some steel and see what happens. Piece of 3/8 by 4-inch hot rolled steel. See if we can bend it. No problem. Of 1-inch by 4-inch hot roll. Let's see if we can bend it. No problem. What are we going to do with this bent steel? Hold on a minute. Okay, just showing a little bit. Here is a piece of steel that we bent. Actually, and this is the jig for it. These two pins, and that is the round. We bend that in this piece. That piece is going into something like this. Well, this is that piece, and we wrap another one around it. We bend all that in this thing, in this press. This is going to be something over here. This is a hole punch that we put in that press, and we'll be showing you directly. But this is these are strippers, and the hole punch is inside there. But this makes a very handy attachment. With that, we'll be punching holes like this. See that or not, but those are 7/8 inch hose through 3/8 inch hot roll. We can punch them, punch a lot of them. That's about it.